Hi everyone, welcome to Gate CS Coaching. In this video, I am going to discuss about ONGC Non-Executives Recruitment 2022. Number 1, designation. Number 2, important dates. Number 3, eligibility criteria. Number 4, vacancy. Number 5, salary. Number 6, how to apply. Number 7, selection procedure. In this job, there are many designations according to their levels, such as for level F1, there are the post of junior engineering assistant, junior scientific assistant, junior dealing assistant, and junior marine radio assistant. Now comes to the another level, such as for A1 level, there are the post of junior technician, junior fire supervisor, junior assistant operator, and junior technical assistant. And for W1 level, there is only one post, that is junior fireman. Now comes to the important dates. Application submission last date of ONGC is 28th May 2022. Now comes to the eligibility criteria. Graduate, postgraduate or diploma in any recognized university or 10th pass from any board of India can apply for ONGC recruitment 2022. Age limit for various ONGC recruitment 2022 positions is listed below in table format. Now I will describe one by one about the essential qualifications of the post. Now let's know what are the essential qualifications for the level F1 post. First comes to junior engineering assistant. 3 years diploma from a particular stream is required. Then comes to junior marine radio assistant. High school or class 10 from the recognized board with global maritime distress and safety system, that is GMDSS certificate issued by Ministry of Communication is required. Then comes to junior dealing assistant. 3-year diploma or postgraduate diploma in a particular stream is required. Then comes to junior scientific assistant. Postgraduate degree in a particular subject is required. Now let's know what are the essential qualification for level A1 post. First comes to junior technician, high school or class 10 from a recognized board with science and trade certificate is required. Then comes to junior fire supervisor, intermediate with 6 months experience in fire services. Then comes to junior assistant operator, high school or class 10 from equivalent board with proficiency in typing, that is 30 word per minute, and certificate is required. Then comes to junior technical assistant, bachelor in science with chemistry or geology as a main subject is required. Now let's know what are the essential qualification for level W1 post, that is junior fireman, HS or class 10 from a recognized board with fireman training of 3 months duration is required. Now comes to the vacancy. As per officially published notification, there are a total of 922 vacancies announced for each sector under ONGC recruitment 2022. As you can see on the screen, there are the name of sector and the number of vacancies for each sector. Now comes to the salary. As you can see on the screen, for F1 level, rupees 29,000 to rupees 98,000 will be given, and for A1 level, minimum rupees is 26,600 to maximum rupees is 87,000, and for W1 level rupees 24,000 to rupees 57,500 will be given. Now comes to how to apply. Eligible candidates must apply online only through the link available on the ONGC website, that is www.ongcindia.com, from 7th May 2022 to 28th May 2022. No other method of submission will be accepted. Candidates should have the following before submitting their applications on the website. Number 1, valid email address. Number 2, mobile phone. Number 3, scanned copy of candidate recent passport size color photograph with white background. Number 4, signature with white background. Please note that a candidate is only eligible to apply for a maximum of 3 positions. Now comes to the application fee. As you can see on the screen, for categories such as General or OBC or EWS, application fee of rupees 300 will be charged. Now comes to another category such as SC, ST, PWBD or ex-servicemen, there will be no charges on application fee. After that, now comes to the selection procedure. Candidates will be chosen using a computer based test, that is CBT, which will be followed by PST, PET or skill test or typing test. Wherever applicable, candidates must qualify at each stage individually. CBT testing will take place in the state of respective work center or work sector.